Hey folks, JD here, and today we have the flight footage from the Eachine EX1 back from the 20th of January 2018. Okay, so what is this? Well, this copter was a brand new GPS brushless motored copter from Eachine. Unfortunately, when mine arrived, the camera module didn't work, but I didn't let that bother us. I whacked on my Runcam 2 and I took it for a good flight, and wow, she really was a good flyer. So what have we got coming this week? Well, we've got a hell of a lot coming this week. Starting off with Monday, we've got the Adaxo 4K camera unboxing and footage. We've also got Tuesday, the Predator plane unboxing. Wednesday, the Predator plane flight. Thursday, we've got the competition winner. Now this is for competition 10, so if you have entered, have a little look, see if you've won on Thursday. Then on Friday we have the Holy Stone Predator 2, this is the unboxing and the flight test. And then on Saturday we have the Hellfire H802 unboxing, and on Sunday the Hellfire H802 flight. Alright then folks, well, I'm going to bid you farewell. Hope you all have a fantastic week. Hope you all look after each other and look after yourselves as well. I'm going to leave you with the rest of this flight footage. It's about another 2 minutes long. It's quite interesting. Alright then folks, look after yourself. Thanks ever so much for your support and your continued love, and I shall see you very, very soon. Take care and happy flying.